Welcome to the video tutorial for Apera Instruments PR60F, PHORP Double Parameter Tester. Preparation before use. Pull out the battery insulation slip and take off the probe cap. Rinse off the probe in pure water, preferably distilled or deionized water, then shake off excess water. If the tester hasn't been used for a long time, please soak the probe in the 3M KCl soaking solution for 15 minutes, then calibrate it before test. pH calibration. Pour pH buffer solutions into the corresponding calibration vials to about half volume. Rinse the probe in pure water, shake off excess water. Short press to power on. Dip the probe in the pH 7.00 buffer solution first, and make a quick stir in the solution, then hold still. Long press Cal button to enter calibration mode, the screen will turn green. Wait for the reading to stabilize, when smile face stays on the screen. Then short press Cal button to finish the first point calibration. After calibration is completed, the tester will return to measurement mode. Icon M will appear at the bottom left of the screen, indicating a successful one-point calibration. Do not turn off the tester after you finish pH 7 calibration. To calibrate the second and third points, use pH 4.00 buffer and pH 10.01 buffer, and repeat the previous steps for calibration. Icon L and H will display next to M, indicating a successful 3-point calibration. If you decide to quit calibration and return to measurement mode during calibration, short press Cal button. If you press the confirm button when the calibration value is not stabilized, it may lead to R2 error. Notes about pH calibration. Always start calibrating with pH 7.00 first. Perform the second and third point calibration immediately after the first point is finished. Do not turn off the meter before you calibrate the second or third point. Otherwise, after you restart the meter and perform calibration in pH 4.00 or pH 10.01, R1 error will be generated and you will have to calibrate with pH 7.00 again. Keeping the freshness and cleanliness of calibration buffers is essential for accurate pH measurement. Never pour back the used calibration solutions into the solution bottles. ORP calibration. Pour 222 mV ORP standard solution into the calibration vial. Dip the probe in the 222 mV standard solution, and make a quick stir in the solution, then let it stand. Long press Cal button to enter calibration mode. Long press mode button to switch to ORP calibration mode. When the smile face icon comes up, press adjustment buttons to adjust the calibration value according to the reference table. Short press confirm button to confirm the calibration and return to measurement mode. Notes about ORP calibration. Typically, there's no need to calibrate ORP probe. When there is doubt on the accuracy, users can take a measurement in 222 mV ORP standard solution. If the error is large according to ORP, temperature reference table above, please calibrate according to this tutorial. Measurement taking. The PR60F tester adopts a dual-channel measurement system for simultaneously measuring pH and ORP. It comes with two measurement modes, general read mode and stable read mode. Long press mode button to switch between two measurement modes. How to take measurement in general read mode. Rinse the probe in pure water, shake off excess water. Submerge the probe in your sample solution, make a quick stir and hold still. Record the stabilized reading as your pH measurement. Note, it's normal that the reading will be randomly jumping if the probe is left in the air. How to take measurement in stable read mode. Submerge the probe in your sample solution and make a quick stir, then hold still. Long press mode button to switch to stable read mode. SR will pop up at the lower right corner. The tester will start the measuring process and you will see the dots start flashing, meaning it's waiting for a fully stabilized reading for both pH and ORP. Once it's ready, a frozen pH and ORP reading will be displayed and can be taken as the measurement. If you want to check the validity of the previous measurement, simply short press measurement button again and restart the stable read process. If the new numbers are close to the previous reading, then you can be confident about the measurements. Notes about stable read mode. Typically, it takes 20 to 60 seconds for the measurement value to pop up in stable read mode depending on the nature of your sample solution. For example, it will take longer to get the measurement pop up when testing solutions with low ionic strength compared to general water solutions. If the reading process takes longer than 3 minutes, the instrument will automatically jump back to the general read mode. Parameter settings. When the tester is powered off, long press the power on button to enter parameter settings. Short press the mode button to switch P1, P2, P3 to P6. Short press the confirm button to select parameter. Short press the select button to change parameter. Short press the confirm button to confirm the change. Short press the measurement button to return to measurement mode. Probe cleaning. The tester is only as accurate as the probe is clean. Always thoroughly rinse off the probe before and after each test with pure water. For tough contaminants, soak the probe in the probe cleaning solution or detergent water for 30 minutes. Then use a soft brush to remove the contaminants. Afterwards, soak the probe in the 3M KCl soaking solution for at least 1 hour. Rinse it off, then recalibrate the probe before testing. Battery replacement. Loosen the battery cap lock and pull off the battery cap. Unlock the battery compartment and open it. Insert the batteries, all positive sides face up. Press down and lock the battery compartment. Close on the battery cap.